we're going to see what's inside an LED screen. Sorry, LCD screen. So here I have an LCD screen, as you can see. So we're going to see it, what's inside it. So it's from a old feature phone. Okay, so there's a metal casing which surrounds this, and then this is some part, a gap which we can take out. Okay. Oh my god, it's totally different. Now this is the main connection. As you can see, it's connected more inside, so we have to take out this full display panel. Okay. There are many layers inside it. So first layer is this, which is a normal glass, which contains nothing. And the second layer, oh my god, there are many layers. Oh, okay. So there are many layers total. So first layer is last layer is this what we can say, reflective surface. Second layer is a type of plastic which contains the light. So now I got to know how this. So when this both are connected, from here it produces the light, and the reflection is done through this part, and then this is the main part which have the display. It is also into. There is translucent sheet, one more reflective sheet. No, this is this is a transparent but also reflective. This is a different type of sheet. You can see through it, but it also magnifies the object. Oh my god, as you can see, there is nothing here. Then also, if we see, this thing comes, which is where here. If we remove this, as you can see, wow, this is very different. I never saw this. Okay. After that comes the main translucent sheet. After that comes the main glass through which the displays. This is a type of black glass, something different only here. So as you can see, oh, this was the metal connector. Now I feel that it also has something. I'm feeling that it's double layered. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so the last layer is this part, which is a type of mirror reflective foldable surface, on which this is the second part where the lights are there, which is connected to a cable. So as you can see, cables are broken down, as you can see. So the lights are connected here. So on this layer, this comes the first layer, the second layer, the third layer, the fourth layer, the fifth layer, and finally the screen. So this all compact thing makes your mobile phone screen, which is a LCD panel. Nowadays in Samsung mobiles, you will find Super AMOLED panel, in which this type of surface will not be there, which is backlight surface, backlight and backlight reflector. Because in that each pixel has its own light, means each pixel has its own light. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching my video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe. Okay. So do you know, guys, I also have a second channel called Top 10 Guys. Here is it, as you can see. So I upload the videos on top 10 anything, as you can see. So just subscribe to this channel also. This is also a very amazing channel, so please subscribe, consider subscribing. And now this was a mobile phone screen, as you know. It consists of this metal plating, then this reflective surface plus this surface. Okay, so first this it's quite confusing to assemble it. It's quite confusing. Okay, so this is the surface. Here are the backlights, not here. I didn't observe that, but here are the backlights. My name. So the first layer is this, which is connected like this, which accidentally actually broke. I didn't saw that. So this is also a translucent surface. On this would come, and on that this glass between. So it's a very complex stage, very complex. As you can see, comes perfectly. On that this, and then a different type of, as you can see, this is the clip, and we could see from here. Okay, as you can see, we are zooming here, we are telling there, but it can still see the clip. It's type of reflective surface plus an what we can say, translucent surface. I still have it. What is this? As you can see, it just zooms it, so it comes here. Okay, and finally the main glass. After the main glass, we just keep this, and this is now the screen. Okay, it's not properly fixed, but this is the screen. It's too complex in the mobiles also. This is last we have opened this mobile phone. So consider liking and subscribing the video. Thank you, guys. I hope you have a very great day. Still, I have a question in this mind. What the heck is this? Because when I attach this on the phone, it's acting as normal, and when I just do like this, it's making beautiful lights and something different. And as you can see, the pixels are going out, and reverse also, as you can see, it's totally different. As you can see, I will show you. This is from this side, and this is from this side. It's quite darker from this side. Really, it's like a maze, like a thing. It's totally different. As you can see, this part reflects, and this part reflects, and this part is transparent. What the heck is this? Still, I'm not understanding. As you can see, this part, as you can see, you can see through it, and when we turn it, it's less see-throughable. As you can see now, you can see through it, and when you turn it, it's little less see-throughable. And same with here. Now you can see, you can't see through it. Means a little, but not. But here you can see through it more. It's totally different. You can't recognize by my camera footage, but if you see with your own naked eyes, it's totally different. Wow, what a substance. If we keep it on the camera, what happens? Oh, something different is coming. Okay, so like the video again. I'm saying this dialogue for 3 times, more than 3 times. So we have one more thing. This is actually a speaker. You may be saying, how does it look like a speaker? So this is actually a compressed part where here, so the speaker is generally here and here. It makes sounds which come out of here because the whole part is sealed. So, and they are the wires. Totally different. So bye guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.